For the heart envelope, take a rectangle sheet and fold one corner down. Then take the bottom part and crease it down like this. Fold the top till where the crease is made. Fold it again till where the second crease is made. Turn the paper around and fold it in half, making a sharp crease. Take the center point and fold the right and left corner. Turn the paper around and fold it again till where you made the first crease. Turn the paper and you will see two flaps on both the sides. Using your finger, open the first flap like this, making a triangle. Do this on the other side as well, and this is how it should look like. Fold the open ends like this and fold it again to meet the center. Same goes for the other side. Turn the paper over again and you will see a heart shape. To finish it off, fold the right and the left as shown and glue it down. Also, glue the open sides at the back of the envelope. And here you have a pretty cool heart envelope.